Hello guys, welcome to Macintosh Weekly, and today in this video, I'm going to show how to use MacBook in clamshell mode. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and now, let's begin. Clamshell mode, also called closed lid or closed display mode, allows you to use your MacBook with the lid closed, running everything on an external display while connected to external peripherals. This turns it into a desktop-like setup. Requirements for this setup are pretty basic. This method works on all modern MacBooks, including Apple's silicon chips, as of late 2025. To enter clamshell mode from an open MacBook, connect your external display, keyboard, mouse, or trackpad, and power adapter. Wake or log into your MacBook if needed. If you're using any kind of hub or dock for connecting peripherals or a display, make sure to allow the accessory to connect. A dialog may appear asking, "What do you want to show on your monitor?" With the selected entire screen option, click on Start Mirroring, and the display will be populated to your external display. Now open System Settings, then go to the Displays tab. Here, you can adjust your preferences according to your usage or need. Now, to avoid sleep issues, go to the Lock Screen tab or Energy Saver on older macOS. Here adjust Turn Display Off on Power Adapter when inactive as needed. It's better to set it to Never. Now simply close the lid. The built-in display turns off, and the external display becomes active. It may take a few seconds. If it sleeps when closing the lid, ensure power is connected and the prevention option is enabled. For better cooling, especially on MacBook Air, consider using a laptop stand with a cooler, or avoid heavy loads in clamshell mode. To exit clamshell mode, open the lid or shut down or restart normally. On newer Apple Silicon models, M1 and later, it works seamlessly with these steps. And here you can see, only external monitor shows up under the Displays tab, which means clamshell mode is active and working perfectly as expected. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.